Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the pre-analysis of London session. Today I am looking to buy pound odd, and here clearly we can see it's in an uptrend. And right now coming to the 15 minute, which is my trading time frame, I want the price to be somewhat at this level and stop loss should be here. Then I would be looking to ride this up to this level. So let's see how this develops when the market opens. Coming to my next pair is Euro CHF. Euro CHF also I am looking for a buy. In the 4 hour we can see this is a good level, good support area is here. Coming to the 15 minutes, here what I want is the price to get somewhat from this level, although I don't think that this is coming uh, up to this level when the market opens, because the pullback is not so strong, and which is good for our buy. A strong pullback is never good. So this is what I'm looking in Euro CHF for a buy. My next pair is EURAUD. This also I'm looking for a buy. Let me show you in the 4 hours. So the price is near a support level. Coming to the 15 minutes, what I can see here is I want the price to grab somewhat from here, and putting my stop loss here, and riding it up to this level. So let's see how this develops. So these are all three pairs from my side, standing by till the market open. This is for the London session. Thank you.